In 2009, Mayor Daley of Chicago went all in to bring the 2016 Summer Olympics to this city. We know that when the Olympics come to town, they cost the taxpayers billions and billions of dollars. And the mayor put everything he had behind it and enrolled President Obama, Michael Jordan, and even Oprah. And opposing this gigantic scheme was a group of volunteers, and we called ourselves No Game Chicago. We had no money, no office, and no allies. And yet, we know our efforts worked and actually did derail the bid. And now, years later, even though pundits have said, oh, what a great thing that we didn't get the games, our story remains untold. And so, we're trying to raise some money to publish a book called Nobody Sent Us: How We Derailed Chicago's Bid for the 2016 Summer Olympics. It's a story that needs to be told even years later because people all over the planet are still fighting the Olympics and other bad mega projects. There's a lot of great lessons to be learned from this story, so we'll hope you'll join us and contribute what you can to publish this story. Thank you.